Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials. CNIC matches your account, your phone number is active, and the app is updated. Once done, open the Easypaisa app, go to Profile, and tap Biometric Verification. Make sure camera permissions are granted and location is on, because the app uses them to validate your session. Position your face inside the on-screen oval. Follow the live prompts for head turns and blinks. Start now and keep steady lighting, so the system captures clear biometric frames. Now you complete the capture sequence. Respond to liveness prompts exactly, turn your head slowly, look left then right, blink on cue. You should remove glasses if they cause reflections and keep hair away from your face. Next, upload a clear scenic image showing all 4 corners and the MRZ if present. Make sure no glare obscures text. After you submit, the app performs automated checks and matches your biometric frames to the scenic. Stay on the verification screen until you see confirmation. You finish by reviewing the verification summary, accepting terms, and pressing submit. The system will show a processing message. If verification is approved, you get an SMS and app notification within minutes. Make sure to save any reference number. If it is rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, then retake photos with better lighting, remove accessories, and retry. If issues persist, contact Easypaisa support with your reference ID or visit an authorized agent for manual biometric enrollment. This resolves most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.